Okay, welcome to my the SEO training for offline. So basically, what you're trying to do is build some backlinks back to your website or your page. Is what you're trying to, whatever page you're working with. Google likes to see backlinks. It's telling that your page is popular. People like the content and they're linking back to it from either their blog or a forum or something of that nature. I used to do the old school, going to blogs, and there's do follow blogs, and there's the forums, and try to get backlinks built that way. But I'm telling you, folks, it is a logistical nightmare. You'll spend way too much time trying to get backlinks to your pages, and you forget that it's really about building a good solid page, sprinkling in the keywords, good content, a couple of links, SEO. You forget the SEO on one page. You forget all that, and you spend way too much time trying to get backlinks. Yeah, instead of focusing on what you should be, which is building new content. So I do use a program called SocialMonkee. It is not a free service. You'll have to pay for it if you decide to do it. That's up to you. If this isn't a route you want to go, I certainly understand. But I'm not gonna do training on the old school. It's just too much. You'll have to do some research on your own, and I can more than help you. You want to call me or send me an email. But short of that, this is the way I build backlinks to my pages. I think it's $7.95 and it's a lifetime membership. I mean, for $8 you're set, so it's not that big a deal. So basically, you'll log into your SocialMonkee site. This is what you'll see. It's a link building solution. And what we want to do is we want to submit a URL. So we'll click there. Now I'm not sure. I think I've already done this main page here. So I got to check. Actually, it'll tell me right out the bat here. So just come to your page. Let's go ahead and just update this, because I did make some changes. Now once you update, if you put all those pinging sites like we talked about in the plugins and the widgets video, right now WordPress, once this has been updated, it will automatically ping all those sites we put in there. So it'll let Google know, and Bing and Yahoo, that I have new content or I updated a page. So basically, I just want to copy this page link, and then we come back over here. We'll type this in here, and we'll see if you've already created one. It'll say that you can't use that URL, but you'll notice this one's fine. I can go ahead and use it. URL fine. Continue to fill out the form. Now we have to spin this a little bit, because we don't want. You can just put, if you want to spin it, you have to use up to 3 different versions of the title and some of the wording that we'll put in here. You just, as these SocialMonkee goes out and does their thing, you don't want the same content being showed up on every forum and every blog and every post. You want it just a little bit different. That way Google doesn't think that you're trying to spam them. So basically the title, and again I want the keyword in there, and I can just put you can start with the keyword. Then you have to put let's see, I can write this one. Actually, at the start of the title, you put that one right there. You'll see it tells you right here that has to go before the title. Title 1. Then you just do a straight down line, which is for me is just above the enter key. And then you want to put just a little bit different. And then one more time we put the down line. And then we'll put alright, so now I've got 3 different versions, so I got to end it with the other way. I don't know what those little symbols are called, bracket or something, but it'll tell you right here how to do it. So you start with the bracket, you put title 1 / title 2 / title 3, and then you end with the bracket. This is where we're going to put our content, our description. This is to describe the URL you're about to submit, and it shouldn't be longer than a few sentences. You don't want it really long. So I hope it didn't lose all that. That would be good. I always like to just pick up a little bit off of my website. So maybe the first paragraph, we'll copy that. We'll come back over here. Now, once you've done this, don't leave this page. If I leave and come back, all this is going to be gone. The title will be there, but the description's gone. On this page, we're going to address all the questions as well as many more related to Global Domains International. And I'll put something like helping you make an informed and then I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this bottom part here. Oops. Now we want to spin this just a little bit. And what we're going to do is spin about every third or fourth word. And it has to flow with what you're talking about. So on these pages, we are going to address all the questions as well as many more questions related to Global Domains International, helping you make an informed and educated decision about GDI. See, the max is 1,200. I'm at 1,000, so I'm even a little heavy here. So let's see. I gotta see on these pages So I put like on these pages we are going to address. I can think of some different words to spin address. So I start it with the bracket, and I'm just looking at this word right here, address. That's the only word I'm trying to spin right now. And then backslash. On these pages we are going to address. How about look at backslash. See, in other words, on these pages we are going to address, look at all these. It has to flow with the next word. We are going to address, look at and then I'll put identify, and then I do with the bracket. And so what I'm doing is I'm just going through 3 or 4 of these words and I'm spinning them. Related to global, helping you make, you could probably change that make. You could put helping you make, helping you maybe decide. That doesn't really fit. How about many? We could do, we'll be looking all these questions as well as, how about a lot more, or a lot. Whoops, I don't want that. So I've got many, a lot more questions. I got to get one more, as well as many more questions, a lot more questions. Maybe tons. See, I'm just spinning the word, 2 or 3 of these words. So once you've done that, you want to come down and put your tags. This is your keywords. And you can put more than just one if you've got words that are kind of related to it, but I don't go too much. And then this is a category, probably business. And then you want to drip feed it. You don't want to, if Google sees all these incredible links and backlinks built over one day, you're going to it's going to draw some attention. So you want to drip feed it. You know, you can go from 9 to 14. I usually do 10 or 11 days. So it just slowly builds these for you over the next couple of weeks. These are the number of sites. I like to go ahead and just do 100. And then we'll preview and submit. This is how your submission will look like when submitted. It's got my website. That looks good. Submit to 100 sites. There is a video on how to use the form in the spinner if you want to watch that. I think that's a pretty good idea. Now we want to come up to reports. You want to ping. You can't ping this URL yet. See right here, the report. This one we just did, so it's still submitting. It's not finished yet. But this is one, some of these that I've done before. And basically what you do is you just come down, you gotta ping it. So you've come in, you've submitted a new site, you have to either remind yourself to come back and ping this, or if you're consistently doing it, you'll just say, well, I know I haven't done my last site, I'll go ahead and ping that one. So you just click on the RSS right feed, right click on your mouse, and copy link location. Click that and come back up here. These are the pings, so we'll go to just click on Ping-O-Matic. And then the blog name. And then you just type in that's the actual URL that we just copied. And then check all. I'm going to check all them. And then send pings. And then it pings that URL. And then that's it. You can actually, I usually do 2. So you can actually come back here and do like Feed Shark or Ping Out. But don't only do a couple. You don't want to ping it too much. Basically, that's it. And now you'll let that system go ahead and start building backlinks to your pages. So that's it for SocialMonkee. And that should pretty much take care of SEO, both online and offline. Bye.